The 2001 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, 8-way power driver's seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.